Introducing Web Dashboard version 10.1.7. One of the most exciting changes involves tasks within the HACCP module. Tasks now have two additional confirmation types, TPM and temperature measurements. We recommend that temperature measurements are only carried out using the new confirmation type. Existing tasks that still use the integer or floating number confirmation type can simply be updated with temperature before the old confirmation type is deleted. When using the EBRO Bluetooth thermometer TLC750, you can now specify the measurement method either needle or infrared. Both the measurement type and the temperature will be saved. The TPM confirmation type is especially useful for businesses with high frying volumes. The quality of the oil can be determined either via the EBRO 330 Bluetooth device or with traditional oil measuring devices. The new TPM confirmation type helps save hundreds of euros per year by preventing premature oil changes or delayed filtering, all while maintaining consistent frying quality. The IoT section allows new filtering functions for reports. Now you are able to include or exclude different data types depending on the sensors used. This makes your reports even more concise. The recently introduced sensor templates, found on the location overview level, are now available not only in the objects section but can also be added directly when setting up new sensors. This saves valuable time during the setup of new sensors. The settings for role configuration in the Accounts and Access menu have been fundamentally revised. All setting options are now assigned to the respective module or cross-platform function. To be able to use the new functions of the app, it is essential to use the latest version. If you have not already done so, activate the Automatic Updates function of your device to ensure that you are always up to date.